Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone kind of a PDF editor directly in Vue.js. So this is the overall project and we are running this locally here to show you the live demo. So this editor looks something like this. So here you can actually edit your PDF file. So this PDF file I edited using this editor. So simply it will show you the live preview of all the pages. You click the pages section and it shows you the total number of pages which are there. So we can even add text, images. We can even digitally sign your PDF file as well. So I basically put this signature using this editor. So you can just see here, you can place your own signature. So here you can simply digitally sign your PDF file here and just so it is that easy and it's a fully fledged Vue.js project and all the components are divided into its appropriate files. So it's very easy for you to modify the source code and the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code. It's entirely built inside Vue.js and we are using JS PDF library. As you can see, the latest version of Vue.js is used. Once you purchase it, all the source code will be automatically downloaded from Google Drive. And it's very easy for you to deploy this application as well. So as we are running it on localhost, as you can see, npm run dev. So this actually starts a local development server. Now let me just start you by simply showing you from scratch. So once you start this application, you simply actually select a PDF file that you want to edit. After that, you click on the next step and we have a number of options right here. We can actually add a picture. So this shows you total number of pages here. So we have all the controls, zoom in, zoom out. After that, we can add some text here. So here you can simply drag and drop and just adjust the size here accordingly. Then we also have the capability to actually add. So here you can add multiple images. So as you select, you'll see the picture already exists. So here we uploaded some images here. You can add this image as watermark as well. So just click watermark. So this will actually make this image as a watermark. So you can just see how easy it is. You can just adjust the size here. And then you can go to the next page. In this page, let's suppose you want to digitally sign your place your signature. So either you can upload an image or you can digitally sign and just place your signature. So it has all the features of Canva clone PDF editor as you can just see here. It's a single page application. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. So once you are happy with it, you can make the changes and then it will create the output file for you. And then it will also, once you download, you can even encrypt your PDF file as well. So here you can enter a password to encrypt and then the output file will open. So if you enter a wrong password, it will not accept. So now if you enter the correct password here, this will be your output file. So it contains this watermark as you can just see. It also contains the signature as well. So this is a fully fledged Canva clone kind of a PDF editor that I built entirely in Vue.js. If you're interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code.